You're in your third trimester of pregnancy, you're starting to monitor movements and get to know what your baby's normal movement pattern is, and you're wondering what's the difference between hiccups and movements. Let's talk about it. So hiccups can be confused with flutters, especially when you start feeling movements. But keep in mind, hiccups do not count as a trackable movement, and this is because they are involuntary. Hiccups are a consistent rhythmic pattern often felt in the same spot. Whereas those trackable movements, you'll kind of feel all over the belly and they'll feel more like a jab, a poke, or a roll.